Welcome to Chef Rafi's show.
Kamusta?
Ako as Chef Rafi.
Ako agtanggap hayo sangko falabas.
Today, Chef Rafi will make another amazing dish from the Philippines.
We will go to the beautiful island of Mindoro to learn how to make Eskabetse. Eskabetse is a popular Filipino dish consisting of pickled fish and vegetables.
We will film this video in Buhid.
Hagtwa diaw no siday nuguli ka mga buhid, tuy kamapa.
Here's where they speak this unique language.
They have their own writing system. It looks like this. Don't you think this is one of the most coolest scripts in the world?
Let's go fishing first for our meal.
Ahokati manyahod Eskabetse.
We will be making twin Eskabetse with 2 white fish.
Balauganggong kaalfunyo uyang. Tam gusto lumagka uyang bilugan. Idwa fiya lagun ka uyang no idwaya alfuyo sas Instagram.
The first thing we must do is clean the fish. Cut the fish down the belly and take out the innards. You don't want bitter guts in your food. See, no more guts.
These are the ingredients you'll need.
Tuy ka mga gamit.
We will keep the egg sacs as they are delicious.
Taman pasimulawon manyahod.
We will coat the fish in flour to make it crispy when we fry it.
Asinan ka uyang bago prituhon baliw-baliw. Tuy madali haligon.
We will fry the fish in oil until it's crispy. Cut the vegetables like this.
Gurutan ka mga ufi ketoy.
Stir fry the onions and garlic.
Isaan ka bawang bago lasuna. Falidan mga ginurutan liya, karot, bago lada dararag.
I'm using cane vinegar from the Philippines.
Palidan yaog butsuka, hampay umaslum. Pahulukan kasuka.
Ginger is good because it takes away the fishy taste.
Palidan yaog but asukar, hampay tumamis. Palidan og but gawgaw, hampay dumikit kasarsa. Tugungan niya og but sarsa sas tungod. Tamawan, tam tumikim. Kafyaon. Yami gusto tuy fag-ufi maskin tuy matamis at maaslom. Kanaya mo favorito fanganon, fayungan angko sas daga.
This dish is normally eaten with rice. Time to eat. Bon appetit.
Chef Rafi would love to hear from you. Send him your favorite family recipes.
Kanaya mo gusto angko syahodan sa sunod linggo.
What would you like Chef Rafi to cook next?
Salamat sa hayo pagdalaw agko. Hampaglahaw yahasi sa chefrafi.com.